Hello students, let us start with last part of rational numbers today. So that is division of rational numbers. So let us understand first reciprocal of a rational number. For every non-zero rational number p upon q, there exists its reciprocal q upon p. Means in place of q we will write p, in place of p we write q, such that p upon q into q upon p is equal to 1. Alright, because here q cancels with q and p cancels with p. The rational number q upon p is called its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of p upon q. So children, reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, one and the same thing. For example, reciprocal of minus 3 upon 7. So we know in reciprocal we exchange the numbers. So here we will write minus 7 on 3. This is the reciprocal of minus 3 on 7. Alright. Now what is division of rational numbers? Division is inverse of multiplication. Inverse of multiplication, you have read here multiplicative inverse. So if rational number p upon q is divided by r upon s. Now the thing is, for which number you have to write inverse? We have to write inverse for the number after division sign. Alright. So here we do p upon q and division changes to multiplication, and here we exchange the numbers s and r. So we write p upon q into s upon r. Now let us understand it with the help of example. Minus 3 on 5 divided by minus 2 on 3. So we will write here minus 3 on 5 as it is. Division sign changes to multiplication and reciprocal of minus 2 on 3, that is 3 on minus 2. Here we know minus and minus sign will become plus, and we multiply numerators. 3 into 3 is 9 and 5 into 2 is 10. Alright, so we just change division sign to multiplication and reciprocate the number after that. Alright. Now, let us start with exercise 4.6. First question is, find the reciprocal of, fourth part is minus 7 on 9 into 3 on 14. So here we know minus 7 on 9 into 3 on 14. We can cancel 7 ones are 7 2's are 14, 3 ones are and 3 is the 9. And here we get number 1 in numerator, and here 3 into 2 is 6. Alright, now when we have to write its reciprocal, so we will write here reciprocal of 1 on 6, that is equal to 6 on 1. We reciprocate, we exchange the numbers. Okay, it is equal to 6. Alright, second question is divide 13 upon 7 by 26 on 21. So we will write it as 13 upon 7 division 26 on 21. Now we know how to solve division. We write first number as it is, division sign changes to multiplication and reciprocal of the number after that. Now here 13 ones are, 13 twos are, 7 ones are, 7 threes are. So multiply numerators, 3 into 1 is 3, 1 into 2 is 2. So this is the answer. Alright, same way third part, minus 6 divided by 3 upon 11, that is equal to minus 6 into 11 on 3. Now 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So minus 2 into 11 is minus 22. Question number 3 is evaluate. Fourth part is minus 5 on 7 minus 15 on 28. So here we have minus 5 on 7. Division sign changes to multiplication, and reciprocal of minus 15 on 28 is 28 on minus 15. Now 7 ones are 7, 4s are 28, 5 ones are and 5 3s are 15. So here we know minus and minus sign will become plus, and here when we multiply numerators it is 4 and in denominators we have 3. So 4 upon 3 is the answer. Next is the product of two rational numbers is minus 13 on 9 if one of the numbers is minus 26 on 7. Find the other number. So now this is product of two rational numbers. So we will write here product is equal to minus 13 on 9. One number is given. So we will write here given number. It is equal to minus 26 on 7. Now when we are given product and one number, it means to find the other number, we divide the product by, product will be divided by given number. Alright. So now we will put their values here. Minus 13 by 9 will be divided by minus 26 on 7. Alright. So we write here minus 13 on 9, division changes to multiplication, and reciprocal of it is 7 on minus 26. So 13 ones are 13 twos. Alright, and minus sign will become plus here, and in numerators 7 and in denominators we get 9 into 2, that is 18. So our answer is 7 on. Question number 7 is, by what number should minus 9 on 20 be divided to get minus 3 on 2? So we will write here, let minus 9 on 20 be divided by x. So we get here minus 9 on 20, division sign x, it is equal to get means equal to, the number is minus 3 on 2. Now minus 9 on 20 here as it is, division sign we know we change to multiplication, and x, its reciprocal will be 1 upon x. It is equal to minus 3 on 2. Now we will take x to the other side, and this number minus 3 on 2, when it will come to this side, we will multiply its reciprocal 2 on minus 3, and reciprocal of x will be shifted to the other side. So it will become x only. Alright. So now we will cancel here. 3 ones are 3, 3s are 9, and here 2 10s are 20. So minus and minus we know will become plus. The value for x we get here 3 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator. So our answer is 3 on 10. Alright. Question number 8 is, a car covers a distance of 189 113 km in 4 on 9 hours. Find the distance covered in 1 hour. Now here this is a statement question, so we will write it in statement. Okay, so here you will write in 4 on 9 hours. 4 on 9 hours means how many hours? 40 on 9 hours. Distance covered is equal to 189 113 kilometer, means when we change it to improper we get here 568 upon 3 kilometers. Okay, now in 1 hour, distance covered will be equal to 568 by 3. It will be divided by 40 on 9. Now we know how to solve it. 568 upon 3 into 9 on 40. Alright. So 3 ones are 3. 3 is the 9. And here it will be divided by 8. 8 5s are 40 and 8 7s are 56. 8 1s are 8. So numerator we get here 71 into 3 and denominator we have 1 into 5. So it comes here as 213 by 5, and when we change it into mixed fraction we get here 42 3 on 5 kilometer. It means 42 3 on 5 kilometer can be covered in 1 hour. Alright, I hope you have understood this. Now we have done questions from exercise 4.6. So children, try to complete this exercise. Alright, with this we have completed this chapter 4, rational numbers.